Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to Berlin. This is Kindle. Say hi.
Hello.
If you're wondering why it's so dark around here and there's a flashing light right there, because we're at 3 a.m. right now. It's currently what time?
Like 3 a.m. And if you want proof,
okay. Look,
no, my camera has a glowing light.
Yeah, I think so. Hang on, guys. Okay, but yeah, it's late at night. We're going to NASA. No idea what the letter stands for. National something. I don't know. But we're going, and we're gonna see if there's anything that's happening. Then don't try this. I don't really know where the windows is. There it is. Not sure if you can see.
NASA stands for National American Space Association.
Oh, okay.
Or it's administration.
Well, we're about to see if something happens. I want to see if this thing is real. And everything is
Normal.
yeah, everything's normal. I'm Billy. That's happening.
Everything does the laws of physics.
Yeah. Okay, but if you guys like this video, then make sure you subscribe to me and leave a description below. And soon I'll be giving away 3 iPhones. I think they did come out with an iPhone.
That will be in a few months or so when it gets enough subscribers. So make sure to subscribe.
I think there is an iPhone 20. Try with an iPhone 20, and supposedly if it jumps down for like 25-story high, it'll still be alive.
iPhone 20s don't exist yet, do they?
Yeah, they do. Google Cup even tried one. Google Cup tried one. He even showed
You can
iPhone
drive
20.
an iPhone 20.
What do you? No.
Learn something
No,
new every day.
dude. iPhone 20s, they cost like $20,000, $40,000 for it. 60,000. I don't know idea. But it's supposed to not even break. So if you drive from 75-story high, which what Google Cup did, guess what? It still survived. Battery's full, but it was still alive. Things fell off, but it was good.
Why would they watch this video? We didn't even technically do anything.
It's garbage, I know, but maybe things are going to happen. But right now, it's really not. I mean, my videos are going to get better at this because this is going to be my first time.
First time for me on YouTube.
Yeah, he's my friend. We even sent to the office. Okay.
I literally sent him to the office.
Sing down. Wait, go up.
You told me to...
No, not like that. There we go.
You told me to put down my flashlight.
Did you hear that?
Just like I'll put down your mom.
You heard that?
What? Bum, bum, bum.
Shut up. Just don't remember me at Five Nights at Freddy's right now. If you know that game, fun.
Yes.
Oh my
I'm an expert
god.
at that game.
Hey guys.
Well, she's bringing you back tonight or something. Did you hear that? I don't hear anything but the buzz.
Guys, if you didn't hear that, then just turn your volume all the way up and go back to video. I heard something. I don't know what it is. Creepy. Yo, why? Let's be the previous time. And this tournament just comes up and... Okay. Stop. Yo, look.
Wow.
If you guys can see that, then just turn your sensitivity up.
I'm playing on my phone.
Ready for me at my house doing something, man. Let's do it, Then comments down below. Make sure you leave likes. Let's get up to 10 likes and I'll do it. 10 likes! Okay, if you guys, I don't think you can. Don't even think. Sure.
Five Nights at Freddy's, ain't it?
Sure.
Nah. It's kind of already a YouTube video.
What?
Oh. I'm showing it something my sister.
You're weird.
Oh, look, my Minecraft game.
Dude, can you at least see?
Okay, go.
Okay, but nothing except for a loud thump is going on. Okay, did you see it randomly? Because my friend says I just saw it. during the morning.
It.
Do you know It, like the movie?
City like the sun.
Do you know that movie It? You know that?
Yeah,
That
watch
clown?
the scene.
Yes, that clown. Guess what?
What?
South saw him, and he ran off. And I looked, and he was gone. I saw the things in the door.
Oh, that's what you
Alright, right now we're in Mineola. Maybe it can only be like 15 seconds.
Yes,
A little bit.
Georgie, we're cool.
There we go. But none bad is happening.
Watch them.
It's so messed up.
I can't do anything.
Guys, turn your volume up. Listen very closely. It's already getting creepy.
What?
I have flapping. I have flapping. I have flapping. Wait, I have flapping. I feel sick. Shut up. You look like a ghost. It's still doing it. Is it?
What?
No, you hear that.
The banging noise?
Told you this video is gonna get creepy. I just want to give it to. Oh, my girlfriend's alright. Oh, my girlfriend's safe, isn't I?
You should put your girlfriend in a YouTube video.
Yeah, I think so. She does a good news though. As you can tell, I'm from Alba Golden.
Don't tell them their location. Some you.
It's not a location.
Alba.
Yeah, the difference. Yeah, it's from last year's, I think.
Sorry, I couldn't find my new one.
That's what she said. Okay, I don't think that really makes sense. Can't find my new one.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, guys, it's this around. But there's creepy houses. Look, there's creepy houses, but you can't really see it. Okay, put it out. Pick your light up. No, not like that.
Huh?
Out the window. See it? Yeah, you can see it. Everything's creepy. Ow! Guys, this is creepy. I'm scared.
Look at my phone picture.
Dude, you don't
Put
want
on my phone if
Yeah.
you dare.
Yeah. Okay, dude. Dude, get your flashes up. They can't even see me. Dude, they can't see me.
Sorry. It's hard to control my phone's flashlight. Wait, you still going?
Well, my mom needs to go to the
There's something round over here and that round over here and a song here. That's what she said.
Oh, you can't find the hole to it? You can't find the hole to it? Oh, you can't find the hole to it? Well, that explains why you can't get a girlfriend.
Okay, this is not about roasting, this is about...
Yeah. Yeah, but there's fucking lights.
Listen.
I mean, there's lights everywhere. It's gonna see.
Yep, this is definitely 3 a.m.
Yep.
We did not edit the video at all.
Nope. What is that, God's cross up there or something? What is this? City of Mineola. Okay, I think we're in Tyler. Okay.
Now they know we live in Texas.
I won't. They probably live in Texas as well. Let's be really see because I'm mostly from the United States of America.
Some YouTubers are from England, UK.
That means it's not from your mom, so you might want to...
Go ahead, finish that sentence.
Okay. This is video just gonna get real.
Okay.
I am so hyped.
Okay, what time it is right now? It's 3:21.
3:21? Oh, come on. 3:21
a.m. 3:21, your mom.
Healing.
No.
No, wait. Yo. Hey, look, turn your phone on.
Can I put my flashlight?
Yeah. There we go.
I need your flashlight again.
If this keep your wait, guys. This is gonna be one of my first videos. What then is just.
We have flashlights in here, but there's no power going to it.
I know why, because mom doesn't have any power. Yeah, your mom
Probably all your
Scorpion
fans out
is
there
your-
are going, oh, right now.
Yeah, maybe. Wait, I don't have them. Yeah, I will. It could probably be like it, because my brother Jonah, he had a Panther Pride! His says Panther Pride, I think. Does it? I'm not sure. I think that just says that just Panther's album loaded.
Hey, it will still.
Hey, it's okay, we're dead soon. We're dead soon.
Dead soon.
Let's just sing a song, hang on. What should I say except we're dead soon. We're dead soon. Hey, it's okay, we're dead soon.
So listen.
Yeah, that guy. Turn it up, turn your volume up. Just turn it up. Shut up! Did it stop? No, switch you. Stick. Alright guys, I'm maybe gonna end the video, but thank you. Well, last time I had laughing. Look at the wood.
You can't really see out.
That's just a mic.
What if you turn your screen brightness up? If you turn your screen brightness up?
Audi did.
What if you turn your mom?
Okay, look. I don't think so.
Only if we had those blocky glasses.
Yo!
They're gonna watch this video and think you're a nutshell.
Your mom's a nutshell.
They'll definitely think you're.
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching my 10. That was actually pretty scary. What happened?
Subscribe to the nutshell.
Nutshell. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video.
I got two
Hey, I'll
nutshells.
see you guys later.
With a big long face.
Hey, I'll see you guys later, okay? Hey, young, and by the way, stay bowling.
Yeah.